Okay. So, good morning, children.
Good
In the
morning.
last class, we had started with the
Good morning,
lesson that
ma'am.
is, yes, good morning. Seventh lesson that is housing and clothing. So, we saw all about the housing, how to take care of the house, and we saw the different types of houses where they are built according to the regions. Every regions have different type of houses due to the climatical conditions and all. Then, then we saw how to take care of the house, how are the houses built with the different materials and all, and how to keep our house clean. We saw some tips also. Now let's come to the next topic, that is the most important topic, that is the clothing. Now what is the meaning of clothing? Can anybody just tell me? क्लोथिंग का मतलब क्या होता है?
Wearing clothes.
Wearing clothes, yes. And
Wearing clothes and wearing clothes and clothes.
okay. Now, clothes protects us from heat, cold, rain, huh? Isn't it? They also protect us, and the most important, clothes makes you look more beautiful also, isn't it? There are different colors, and they make when you wear different types of clothes, what will happen, you look more beautiful also, and they also protects us from any insects bite, mosquito हो या फिर कोई भी
मैम
इंसेक्ट हो.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है? क्यों?
It is coming. It is coming. मैंने जिराफ का ड्राइंग बनाया.
Okay, okay. So then it protects us from the insects bites also, and we wear different types of materials of clothes. We will just see some of them which you know. You can just tell me which are the different types of materials of the clothes which you wear.
मैम कॉटन क्लॉथ, वुलन
Cotton
क्लॉथ,
clothes.
सिल्क
So the dupatta. One by one.
sheep wool.
This is no. This is not the way to tell the answer. What is the way to tell the answer? To raise your hand. So you forgot. Yes, there is cotton clothes, and then so in different seasons also. Yes, put your hand down. In different types of seasons, we wear different types of clothes. For example, cotton is worn in which season? So this my dupatta is cotton. This is the cotton. So this, when do we wear these type of clothes? In which
Summer season.
summer season? Why we wear cotton in summer season? Because
Keep us cool. Cotton keeps us cool.
cotton keeps us cool, and we feel also very good. So this is one thing. When do we wear woolen clothes?
In winter season, woolen clothes keep us warm.
Yes, because because why? Again, the same things you all are using. You have to raise your hands. We wear woolen clothes in winter season because they keep us very warm. So, clothes are made up of fibers. Now, what are these fibers? I'll tell you. Now, these are two types of fibers. One is natural fibers and one is man-made, means human-made fibers. Fibers are thin thread like structure used to make the clothes. Now, let us do one activity. I'll just show you. Now, this is what? This is jute, which this is jute. This is from where we get this jute from the plant. Now see, it has many threads. See, can you see? I have just opened it. See, it is not one thread. There are many threads. So you also can do this activity to see the fibers of the thread. Now, what you should do is take a thread, look at it very carefully, and then you will see the further twisting. Now, see this twisting. They have just twisted the thread like this. And if you remove this, you will see the different threads. See here. Please mute yourself. See here. You'll find that it is made up of many thin fibers, isn't it? So this is one activity. Now what are fibers? Now fibers we get it from the plants or from the animals, which are so they are called as natural fibers. Now natural fibers मतलब क्या होता है जो नेचर से हमको मिल जाता है, जैसे कि नेचुरल थिंग्स अभी हम लोगों ने वी हैड डन लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, तो उसमें हम लोगों ने देखा था नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स फ्रॉम नेचुरल नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स एंड human made non living things. The same way here also natural fibers and human made fibers. Natural fibers मतलब वो जो हम लोगों को easily we get it from the nature like plants. हाँ, now from plants which we what we get, let's see. What is this?
That's cotton.
Cotton. And from this cotton, what do you will get? Thread is made. And then after thread, you will get the cloth. So this cotton, we get it from the plants. So this is a natural fiber. Fiber, fiber जो रहता है, fiber से fabric होता है. Okay. So this is a fiber which we get it from the plant. Now, which one more fiber which we get from animal? Who can tell me? Very easy one.
Silkworm. From silkworm, we make silk thread.
Yes.
Silkworm.
And then even woolen, silk होता है, woolen होता है. This all we get from the animals. Now, I'll tell you. Different clothes are made from different natural fibers. Cotton, then wool, linen, and silk are some of the example for natural fibers. Now, earlier the people, early man when he came into existence, he didn't had any clothes. He didn't knew anything about the clothes. So what he used to do, how he used to cover its the body, how the early man would cover its body
with the sheepskin and the animal skin and sheepskin with animal skin and plant leaves.
the uh, the uh, the early man would cover the body with the animal skin or with the leaves. First he started with the leaves, then when he started hunting the animals, then he understood that the skin of the animal could be used as to cover the body because it was keeping the man very warm. So उसका भी एक story है. There is a story behind the early man also. First, the early man didn't knew anything. As he came into existence, what happened? The early man didn't knew anything. What he used to do first? He was nomad. मतलब उसको कुछ भी पता नहीं था. What he used to do? He used to just go roam here and there. He used to gather the food and he used to eat. So whatever leaves he used to get from the plants, he took that leaves and he covered his body as he used to feel cold and all. Later on, he started hunting the animals. He started hunting the animals. As he started hunting the animals, then he understood how he took out the skin of the animals and then he started covering with that to its body. So like this way, what happened? He started then growing the plants. He became the farmer. Then he started rearing the animals also. Then after rearing the animals, then he understood that the skin of the animal, the hair of the animal like sheep and all could be used to make the clothes. So then he started doing the woolen clothes. Slowly, he took all the fibers and then he started making the fabric out of that fibers. So as you come to the higher classes, that time you will understand how to make fibers to fabric. Then, now these cotton clothes are made up of fibers. We get cotton fibers from the cotton plants. Have you seen the cotton plant? No, nobody. So we get this cotton from the plant, and then further this cotton is being this cotton, if I show you, see कैसे है देखो how this cotton is. Afterwards, what it has been done, I'll tell you. Huh? It is in the machinery. It has been twisted like this. I'll just show you. Okay, I can't make it, but I'll just show you. So this acts like a thread. In the machinery, they now how was the cotton? It was before like this. Then when I twisted it, what happened? It became like a thread, isn't it? Didn't it became like a thread?
Yes, ma'am.
Thread हो गया ना? तो I just
Yes,
did
ma'am.
it on the hand. But अभी ये thread बनाया है. Further, what will happen? This thread मशीन्स में बनाते हैं वो लोग थ्रेड, एंड इट विल बिकम वेरी फाइन. ये बहुत ज़्यादा लिया था तो इतना बड़ा थ्रेड हो गया. बट इन मशीनरीज दे टेक द कॉटन एंड देन दे twist it like this, and further it has been rolled through a to a different this, and then through the threads what they become, they do this clothes. Now when I have done this, twisted it like this, now we will open this to see how many threads you will get. देखो, when I open it, I'm getting the.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
Why? See.
Now I can see.
Okay. So see, as I open it, what it is happening, you can see many different threads. Again, if you twist it, again it will become to its normal position. See. So this is cotton, which we get from the plant, and this is a natural fiber. So there are cotton shirts are there, then cotton dupattas, cotton suits, everything. Next we'll come to the jute fibers. Now what are these jute fibers? Jute we get from the jute plantation. Okay, it is used in making bags and then clothes. Okay, I'll show you. This is jute. ये जूट होता है. दिस वी गेट फ्रॉम द जूट प्लांट. अगेन जूट इज बीन रिमूव्ड, मेड इनटू जूट. इसके बैग्स भी मिलते हैं आपको. यू मस्ट हैव सीन द जूट बैग्स. नहीं नहीं, जूट के बैग्स रहते हैं. सैग, दिस यू गेट फ्रॉम दिस जूट प्लांट. सो दिस इज द जूट. देन वील कम नेक्स्ट टू द fibers which we get from the animals, like woolen. Woolen we get from the sheep, then goat, then camel also. They take all the hairs of the animals and they made this uh, fabrics, means the clothes and all. Now next there are silkworms. Now this silkworm also, if I show you the video about the silkworm, cannot get this. Okay, silk we get from the silkworm. Silkworm से हमको silk मिलता है, and then it is further again made into thread and then into the what? Into the. So I'll just, we will see a small video. Okay, here you can see.
Ma'am, someone is sharing the screen and we can't see your screen, ma'am.
Please do not share the screen. These are the mulberry leaves, okay, children? See, these are the mulberry leaves because silkworms like mulberry leaves. They eat these mulberry
Ma'am,
leaves.
we can't see your
What you can't see?
screen.
Why?
Ma'am, we can't see your screen. Ma'am, we can't see your screen.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, just a minute, wait. What happened?
We can't see your screen.
They are showing the life cycle of the silkworm. So this is the day 1 to day 10. How the silkworms are coming out of the eggs. Then these are the mulberry leaves. Actually, the silkworm likes mulberry leaves. They eat these leaves. So what they do? See, the silkworm are eating the mulberry leaves and they're growing in size. This is day 18. Now they have eaten all the leaves. That is the day 24.
You're not looking. I'm not looking.
What?
I'm not looking.
Wait, wait. This is 27 to 20, 37. See this. Now silkworm has grown up. They have been separated. Now this is the cocoon which they do around themselves.
And we cannot see.
What you all are not able to see? अब पहले बोलते हो दिख रहा है.
हमें see जो screen
Now that lady is taking all the cocoons and they will put it into the hot water. See, the cocoons are put into the hot water and the thread is being taken out like this. See, reeling the thread. See, किस तरह से अच्छे से she is taking out the thread. See, spinning in. different types of colors, whichever color you want. So children, did you see how the silk is been made up of with the silkworm? Then the silkworm has been given the mulberry leaves, and then slowly it will grow on, and then it will make a cocoon out of that the coating, and then it has been put into the boiled water, and then the thread is made, and then the clothes are made up of silk. So this is all about the how the silk thread is made by the silkworm. Next, these are the natural fibers which we get from the nature, means fibers from the animals and fibers from the plants. Now we will see the human made fibers. Now some clothes are made up of fibers made by the human beings. Okay, so these fibers are made from the different materials in factories. Some of the example are human made fibers like nylon, rayon, polyester, and terracotta. Now I will show you one of the example. This umbrella, see, this is the rayon, this the raincoat and all. This is the human made fibers, means with this umbrella, and then you have those wires also, you know, no, those wires and all, these are all the human made fibers. So here we have completed with the lesson number 7. So notes I will be sending of our body and this lesson number 7, that is housing and clothing. Your work is to go through the lesson, read the lesson. If you have any doubts, tomorrow is a holiday, day after tomorrow we will complete the doubts if you have any doubts.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
And anything else? Then we will see the encyclopedia, which is useful for plants and animals. Then we will come to the 8th lesson, that is the safety and the first aid. There also there are many things which you can learn. So anything else, children?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Is it? It was very interesting to see the video.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you like the
Yes,
video?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And again, which video I could show you?
Ma'am.
Wait, huh? So just a minute.